Listen guys, you already seen that title in the thumbnail. You already know we about to get busy over here, and we always got to squeeze in a pasta recipe here and there. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a spicy honey barbecue smoked sausage pasta. You ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, we're gonna do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our rotini pasta here. We have some smoked sausages here. Now if you don't have smoked sausage, you can use andouille sausage. That's fine. Barbecue sauce here, chicken broth, onion, garlic, and right here I have a sweet pepper. I think it's called a Palermo pepper, but I like cooking with these. It gives it a nice little flavor and a crunch to it. But if you don't have a sweet pepper, just use a bell pepper or something like that. Right here we have honey, olive oil, seasoned salt, black pepper, heavy whipping cream, garlic, and onion powder there. That's all you need. Let's jump into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up some olive oil over a medium heat. And guys, I forgot to mention, we're gonna use some Parmesan cheese too. So let's bring this up to temperature. Once that oil heats up, we're gonna add our sausage. We're gonna let these sausages cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before we go in with our other ingredients. All right, so after about 2 or 3 minutes, we're gonna go in with our onions, our peppers. Again, these are sweet peppers, not hot peppers, and our garlic. And we're gonna let this cook for an additional 5 to 6 minutes. We'll get it moved around in here. So after that 5 minutes, we're gonna add our chicken broth, our heavy whipping cream, our barbecue sauce, our honey, our seasoned salt and black pepper, onion powder and garlic powder, get it mixed in. Now we're gonna go in with our rotini pasta. We're gonna get that mixed in here like this. Bring this up to boil. Once it starts boiling, you're gonna reduce your heat to low. We're gonna cover this up. And we're gonna let it cook for 12 to 15 minutes covered. All right guys, so we're about 15 minutes in. Let's remove our veil. Man, take a look at this. We're going to turn our heat off. Our sauce has thickened. Man, this looks absolutely delicious. Man, look at that. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. So we're gonna head over to our cutting board, add the final ingredient, put some final touches on it, and jump into quality control and the final presentation. All right guys, the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese here. And we're gonna get that mixed in. And we're gonna top that off with a little green stuff. And there you have it, guys. Spicy honey barbecue sausage pasta. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna jump into quality control because, man, this looks delicious. We gotta do a taste test on this one. Let's go. All right, the favorite part of the show, quality control. Let's bring these groceries up here, man. Look at these groceries. Oh man, groceries, man, groceries. Spicy honey barbecue. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, man. We already took a look. We're gonna take a bite. Hey, let me bring that back up there like that. Look at that, man. Ooh, sausagey, pasty, honey. Oh man. Oh man. Elizabeth, I'm coming to join you, baby. Wow, this is absolutely fire. Can't stop. Listen, put it on your list. That's all I gotta say. Put it on your list. The sweetness, the tanginess, mixed with that smoked sausage flavor. Oh man, guys, you already know. Grocery. So, y'all already know what this is. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.